You're watching How Leap. Let's create an easy reusable checklist in Notion. Open Notion and create a new page or open an existing one. Type to open the command menu and type to-do list or checkbox and press enter. This adds a single checkbox. To make a full checklist, press enter after the first item and Notion will automatically continue with new checkboxes. To create a template for reuse, type template and select template button. A new block will appear. Click New Template. Inside the template, build your checklist with all the default items you need. Give your template a name like Daily Tasks. Click Done. Now every time you click that template button, it will insert a fresh copy of your checklist. To make it even more powerful, create a database with a checkbox property. Type and create a table inline. Add a property named Task and another named Done with a checkbox type. You can filter and view these tasks in multiple ways. Save this table as a template view for quick access. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.